point is like a whole box?
So 1, yes, 1 point is a whole box. Or that would be 2. Oh, 1.10. That would be 2 full boxes, right? Oh. Then we would need a third one later. So let's find out. Well, let's see. Here we go.
Through the magic of video editing, we can see that 1.9 is right here. So it is an entire hole shaded in, and then 9 out of the 10 columns over here. Now 6/10 means we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6/10 is right here. So that means we want 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths right here. So that's all of this. So 6/10. So how are we going to count that? Well,
Okay, so now, if you've shaded it in correctly, you'll see we have 1 and 9/10. Or, if you really wanted to call it, you could call it 19/10. Right? Or 190 hundredths if you wanted to. And we wanted to find 6/10 of that. Right? Again, if you already get this, you can move on. But
I get it, but I don't.
okay.
the way to count that would be, we know we have 10 going this way, 6 going this way, so that's 60. That's 60. And then over here,
don't lose focus.
so that's 60 hundredths. Pull 60 out of 100. And then over here, we've got 9 going here, 6 going here, so that's 54. So that's 54 hundredths.
So I'm going to stop there. Do you see why we got 60 hundredths here? Because there are 60 out of 100. Over here we have 54 out of 100. If you add them together, it's going to be an improper fraction. You're exactly right, Corey. So that means, is our answer going to be larger or smaller than 1? It's going to be larger. Let's find out.
So all together, we would add that together. And so 60 plus 54 is equal to 114 100ths.
Who thinks that they can tell me what is 114 hundredths as a decimal point? 114 hundredths as a decimal point. I already know that Corey and Moses told me it's bigger than 1. So it must be 1 point something, maybe. Lola? 1.14. Michael, were you going to say that too? Yes. Nice job.
114 100ths. So that's going to be 114. And then 100th means we're going to move those digits 2 places to the right. So we end up with 1.14.
You guys, honestly, I don't know why he does this. I think he's just showing us 114 hundredths. I wouldn't worry about that. I'm worried more about the fact that you need to be finished with a 1.14. Yep.
You can simplify and say 1 and 0.14.
1.014?
1 and 1.014. You can.
Right. He did it differently. Yep.
Because if you simplify, and you still have to do the decimal, so it'll be 1 and 1.4.
Now another way to think of that exact same problem is we could think of, oops, I'm going to zoom in here. Whoa, I'm all over the place. We could think of 6/10. Yeah, 6/10. And then we could think of 1.9 as 19 tenths. And then when we multiply, we're going to get 6 times 19 in the numerator and 10 times 10 in the denominator.
Watch this part.
So 6 times 19 is 114. And 10 times 10 is 100. And so there's our...
So he did it without the hundreds math. By the way, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people that at some point during our math lesson went on to have a conversation with somebody else, not regarding math. So for example, I could verify that Max and Kane were discussing something math related, so I would not have put their names on. But if I heard while I was talking to somebody about an example up here, that you were having a conversation aside from math, that's showing me that you're not really engaged in the process. That's not a good sign, people.
Over 100, and as we already looked at in the previous problem
How do you know
with
I'm
our
talking about you
cool
guys?
little
Because it's 7 people.
place value chart,
That's a lot of people.
that
So what does that
100%.
say about you if you're assuming that that must include you?
It must be. Because 7 people.
Would look like this, but dividing.
The odds are good, is that what you're saying, Moses?
Multiplying by
Exactly.
100.
It's like 100% me.
Digit, 2
Well, we'll
places.
find out later. What do you need?
Find out later.
No. But you said we're missing that.
got shutting the door.
Is it still attached?
What he said. No.
Where'd it go?
You said that
Better go get it.
You said that the people.
I watched my finger. I'm going looking for it in the hallway.
We was totally engaged.
200.
Okay,
I was.
work ahead. I just sent, oh, she's not available? Okay. Michael, you may take a quick lap, get a drink, and come right back.
Wow, I love doing this.
I know, you can go, I sent Adeline
Pretty
earlier.
relaxing.
Okay,
With my mark, I got my finger.
excellent. I hope it gets sewn back on.
Well, you got your finger cut off. You got stuck in it though.
All right, I'm gonna turn to page 79.
Oh my God. That's so bad. I did that.
We did this one. We did this one.
No, we didn't. We didn't do that one.
We didn't do this one. Oh, we didn't do this
I
one.
did that one. Where we was
I did that one already.
I did it. I did that one where I'm supposed to do this one. We didn't do that.
Tell you what then.
We weren't.
How about we go ahead and jump to this page, number 2, and let's try a few of these. So if you don't understand, let's look through them. Let's look at letter A. This is page 80 now. Let's look at letter A. 4 times 0.6, which we know is 4 times 6 tenths. Let's look at what it looks like as a fraction. 4 times 6 tenths. We should know that from an earlier lesson. 4 times 6 over 10. Which we know they got 24 tenths because 4 times 6 is 24. 24 tenths, which is 2 and 4 tenths. Right here, they did the same thing, but they left a couple steps out for you to do. So now we have 4 tenths times 6 tenths, which is 4 times 6 over 10 times 10. So what would be my numerator and denominator here, Corey?
Here we go.
What would be my numerator and denominator here? What's 4 times 6?
Oh.
24. What's 10 times 10? 100. What does 24 hundredths look like as a decimal?
Would it be 2.4?
Look, mine don't come up. It's not paying me.
Yeah, 24 hundredths. If you would have put 2.4, that's 2 and 4 tenths. We want 24 hundredths. 0.24. What?
I'll do my like this.
Here. Here. Do you need a Band-Aid for it?
Look, it's
Is
not
it bleeding? Okay. 2400, right? This one?
It's not. It got this little thing.
So 4 100ths times 6 tenths.
Slime.
So 4 times 6 is 24,
It gotta look.
but 100 times 10 is how much? What is 100 times 10?
Michael's at the door.
What's 100 times 10? Yes. 1,000. What does 24,000 look like as a decimal? Let's have somebody else have a try, please. Corey?
Me.
Melissa?
Oh.
Okay. Letter D, 7 times 3 tenths.
Me.
7 times 3 tenths. That is 7 times 3 over 10.
I know what it is.
So my answer then, Moses, would be what?
Alright, so the bottom will be.
10. But what's the top?
Wait, hold on. What's the bottom 10 is?
Because we're not multiplying anything by 10, are we?
2.1.
21? So what is 21 tenths of the decimal?
0.2.
That is 21 hundredths. What's 21 tenths?
0. 2. Wait,
2.1, right? Isn't it?
Second one,
It's at 3 o'clock.
I thought it would be 0.2.
Yeah.
You could put it as 0.2.1, but I don't say that I'm 0.40 years old, do I? I just say 40. You don't need that 0.
Yeah, because
Sure they do. This would be stuff that you would use to find out medicine. Yep. Actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to do X ticket.
This is my friend Gabby. And a sponsored video by Hydro Flasks. Ava.
Looking to see who's quiet and ready.
I am quiet.
And I ain't got caught yet.
I swear, not to God. We both did it. Come on now. What's inside of you?
Hydro Flasks. SK.
That's not Lego.
That's me when someone sends me a picture of the SK.
But they can't say it's cause they like SK.
Oh,
See me in the morning. Right now.
My friend said, like, are you guys not concerned? This is like so cold in February, and I'm like, I'm concerned about the fact that you're in February.
That's what notice if it's like notice if it's easy.
Oh no, this is easy.
Hey.
Man, Michael, you know you don't live by yourself. Stop lying. He said, I'll live by myself. Boy, get out of here. Right. In your dream. What's up, boy? What are you doing for a Boston name. No, bro.
Yeah, I know how to play the game. Yeah.
I'm in a break. I won't call this the back of the class. I'm in the front of the class. but I gotta get. If I do this, yes you do. That's the exit ticket. I know. Miss Lamar, don't he gotta do his exit ticket?
He was working on his test this whole time. So he wasn't even here for the lesson.
I want to work on tests.
Right.
You guys finished.
That's not even me. That just made me because that is lame.
That was your exit ticket. Come sit on the rug with your citizens guide. Ladies, bring your citizens guides over. Yep, face the overhead. I need your exit tickets here. I need you to be on the rug.
That was the end of my video.
I don't know what your exit ticket is.
I can't get right.